Hello, kids! Last time we saw something truly amazing. Prince Duryodhana made Karna the king of Anga. A new friendship was born, and the royal court was filled with gasps and cheers. But life in Hastinapura was never quiet for long. Soon after the competition, Guru Dronacharya gathered all his students, the mighty Pandavas and the proud Kauravas, for one final challenge. He said, "My dear students, your training is complete. Now it is time to prove your bravery in the real world. I have one wish. Capture King Drupada of Panchala and bring him to me." All the princes looked at each other in surprise. King Drupada was a powerful ruler, strong, proud, and surrounded by mighty soldiers. But none dared to question their guru. The Kauravas were the first to try. They rode out with hundreds of soldiers, led by Duryodhana, Dushasana. They marched bravely into Panchala's land. But King Drupada's army was fierce. After a tough fight, the Kauravas were defeated and returned tired and disappointed. Then Guru Drona turned to the Pandavas. "Now it's your turn," he said with a smile. Prince Arjuna stepped forward and bowed. "Guruji, we will not fail you."
With his brothers Bhima, Yudhishthira, Nakula, and Sahadeva, Arjuna led the charge. The Pandavas fought with courage and teamwork. Bhima's mace smashed through enemy lines. Arjuna's arrows flashed through the sky, and together they defeated King Drupada's army. Arjuna reached King Drupada and said calmly, "Our Guru Dronacharya wishes to meet you." King Drupada, though proud, was impressed by Arjuna's skill. He agreed to come with them. When the Pandavas presented King Drupada to Guru Dronacharya, Guru Drona smiled gently and said, "Drupada, once you were my friend. You said friendship exists only between equals. Now, I have proven that even a poor teacher can rise higher than a king." But Guru Dronacharya, being wise and kind, did not harm Drupada. He divided the kingdom, half for himself and half for Drupada, turning an old insult into a new friendship. And so, children, the princes of Hastinapura completed their training. They had learned the power of courage, teamwork, and humility. But what they didn't know was that destiny had already begun to weave the next part of their story, the House of Lack, where jealousy and danger waited in the shadows. We'll see that in our next story, The Secret Plot, The House of Lack, or The Lakshagraha. Until then, remember, true strength is not just in power, but in wisdom and unity. See you soon, little warriors.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Monk Tales for more beautiful stories.